Hi, I'm Shweta, a baker, mentor, and the one who has walked the flour dusted path from confusion to clarity. When I started baking professionally, pricing was my biggest blind spot. I would pour hours into perfecting a cake, use the best ingredients, decorate with finesse, and then freeze when someone asked, "How much does it cost?" I would scroll through baking groups, see others asking the same question, and often price my bakes based on what others were charging. Yet, I saw so many beginner bakers, talented, passionate, undervaluing their work, not because they lacked skill, but because they lacked a system. And I get it. That's why I have built this baking goods price calculator. It helps bakers break down their costs, factor in their time, and price with confidence, not comparison. Okay, so let me just show you how this app works for me. So here I have given global preferences for the currency. As I am in Indian, I will be choosing the Indian currency and the default purchase unit I can choose any from this. For now I'm keeping it as gram. Now I have to enter the recipe name which can be anything. So I am just using vanilla cake and I'm adding up my ingredients. Here I have to add up one by one all the ingredients and then I have to click on the save all button. So it will save all the ingredient list with the pricing. So let me just add up everything. First I will use the base price for 1 kg how much I paid, and out of 1 kg I used only 130 grams. So it will give me the price of the flour only that I used, only 9 rupees, and add another ingredient. So the same way you can keep on adding your ingredient list, the base price of it that you bought it for, and the amount of that ingredient that you used. It will calculate and give you the rate. I'm getting the cost. Now I have to save all the ingredient lists first, and then I have to add the decoration and this. So packaging, so you can keep add your decoration and packaging as per your preference. Now what I will be doing is I am adding the overhead charges as per the preference that I want. I'm keeping 10% as of now. Now here there are three tiers: retail, wholesale and bulk. So I can choose any of the tier, and according to the tier I have changed the profit margin also. If here I'm keeping as 35 as of now, and the price is 558 rupees that I can sell my cake for, including the taxes and everything, it is included. So this is my calculator that I have made using bolt.new app.